I'm super excited today to be in the city of Laguna Beach on a street called Hillcrest. I won't give away the full address quite yet because you're gonna follow this project and it's really exciting. I'm here with Pam McCurry and Danae. Help me with your last name.
Aballi-Mecham.
Aballi-Mecham, okay. And this is super exciting for Revive, for me to be a part of a project like this because this is a lot more than just a renovation. This is an example of a real estate agent taking control of their destiny and not, just doing transactions. I think some of the most successful agents that I know or that any of us could think of, they're not just doing listings, right? They are finding value and solving all kinds of problems. And so they are putting development deals together for their clients, for themselves. They are solving complex problems and they are helping their clients build wealth. This is an example of what I think is a prime example of someone like Pam, who's, while she is a licensed agent, she's really an investor, right? And she is taking this opportunity, a home that you bought.
Yep.
Now, what year did you buy?
Lived in it for 2.5 years to put all this project together, and we're just now starting to break ground.
Amazing. So what year did you buy this in?
23.
So Pam acquires this property in 2023 with the idea to create a value add. It took you 2.5 years to entitle this property. And when Pam originally bought this was a 1947 built home that was 1,600 square feet, approximately 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And you are now taking this to a
2,500 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and a new subterranean garage, 2-car garage. Oh, big one.
Yeah. This is gonna be a really beautiful project. Danae and Pam and Revive is gonna be tracking this project. We want you guys to kind of go along this journey with us on this amazing project, again, in Laguna Beach with beautiful views. Tell me, so this is kind of a mother-daughter team?
Yeah.
And I would love for you guys to tell us a little bit about, yourself and anything you want to share about.
I will share with you that even with 21 years experience selling real estate, when she showed me, hey, I'm interested in this house, I did not see the vision as I should have. She was really the lead on this project in terms of seeing what it could be. At one point, I had suggested to her, let's just make the bathroom cuter and kind of leave the original footprint, but she's the one that had the grand vision. I think a property like this with the ocean view, you deserve to show off the property more. And in Laguna Beach, so many people, they just give up on the remodel because it's so difficult getting everything through the city. And she just stayed the course. I joke that she was camping here for 2.5 years. It wasn't all that functional. She made it work, and it's gonna pay off in the end because it's a special property. It's a special location. We have done it together many times. You just walk down to the beach, go sit and watch sunset. We're just outside the Emerald Bay gates. The properties in there are tremendous value of real estate, just really beautiful location. And North Laguna is special in that you can actually get to Newport Beach in a few minutes, as opposed to some of the South Laguna is really pretty, but it's just difficult from a traffic standpoint. It's just a really special spot.
Yeah. No, it's just, and it's a big lot, and
and largely a flat lot. So much of Laguna is so steep. I mean, this is something that, kids and dog friendly, and that you're not gonna roll down the hill with these steep lots. It's a good spot.
Single level.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go up. So we were considerate of all the neighbors and not blocking view, and because the view is what you live. If you are lucky enough to have a view in Laguna Beach, you keep it, and you're also considerate of anybody else's view, that you're not blocking that.
So this project's probably going to come to it's going to start. We're in middle of May, and we are hoping to be done very early 2027. So if people want to follow this project along with you, Danae and Pam, where can they go to follow along?
I would say follow us both. I'm gonna kind of document a little bit from the realtor perspective, but Michael's team is gonna document a bit more from the construction perspective. So follow us both. It's gonna be interesting content. We're both very just real and genuine and showing the behind the scenes. So I think you'll get some good
Okay,
watching.
There'll be a link in the video.
Yeah, we'll drop a link so you guys could follow that. So this 2,500 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in Laguna Beach on Hillcrest is going to be hitting the market in 2027.
Yep.
And we believe this is gonna be an amazing home for someone. And I think the marketing is probably gonna be in the $5.5 to $6 million price range here. So if you're interested in that, you know, you could connect with Danae for that.